Hi everyone, welcome to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to redeem Roblox gift card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar, go and type in www.roblox.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account. Once you're inside the main home page, click on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. From the expanded menu, click on gift cards. You'll be able to see a redeem card button at the top right-hand corner. Give it a click and you'll end up in the Roblox redeem code text box. Type in the code that is available on your gift card for Roblox. You can also enter your promo code in this particular text box. Type in your gift card number correct and click on the redeem button in order to redeem your gift card online for Roblox. That's how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.